Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'll cover how to generate a simple but effective thumbnail directly from Adobe Premiere without the need for any Photoshop skills. Okay, to kick things off, I have a project open with a video and some audio. Position your time head to the frame you'd like to use as your thumbnail. Then, at the position on your timeline, add whatever text or images you need for your thumbnail design. We recommend using PNG images with transparency maps to give you the best results. For more info on overlaying PNG images on top of your video, check out the tutorial on screen and in the description. You can move, rotate, and resize objects by double-clicking it and using the handles in the preview panel. Now, thumbnails also tend to stand out better when they pop with color. So once you've finished with your desired layout, you can add a little saturation and contrast to the colors by selecting your video on the timeline and heading over to the Effects tab up here. Under Basic Correction, play around with the saturation, contrast, and exposure to get your desired result. Now go back to the Editing tab and click the Export Frame button located below the video preview panel. If you don't see it here, simply click the plus button and drag it next to the others. In the pop-up, start by naming your image as you'd like. Then I'd suggest changing the format to either JPEG or PNG. Now click the Browse button to choose where you want to save the thumbnail. We suggest somewhere easy to find the saved image. Once you're done, hit OK, and now you can find the exported image in File Explorer and use it as your thumbnail. Back in Premiere, if you still need to edit or render your final video, be sure to get rid of anything that you added to your timeline for your thumbnail. And go back to your Effects tab to reset your color settings by clicking the Reset button or double-clicking on each bar. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.